In this video, we will print the drawing. I'm going to type in Zoom at the command line and expense so I can see the whole sheet. So basically what we'll have here is a viewport and some text. The text is going to vary a little bit depending on things like the assignment titles and the semester and that sort of thing. But basically this is what we have and what we're going to be printing. So we have already done a lot of the groundwork for this, which will make this much easier. So to print it, I'm going to go to print. And we already have the settings because we saved them to this layout. What I can do from this point is just to preview it and make sure it looks correct, right? So what should I see? Should I see any colors? No. That magenta text should be printing in black. These lines and circles and all of that, those were made on layer 0, which will print to black. My viewport does not show because I changed the setting in the layer properties that it would not print. So what we should see is just the text and the contents of the model space. So I'm going to press enter. And I will proceed with the creation of what is a PDF. So I'll click on OK. And you can see down here, it's going to replace the DWG with a PDF. It's also telling me that it's layout 1, and I'm going to remove that from here. There's only one layout. If I had multiple layouts, it might be helpful to have that. Okay. And right now it's set to go to the documents folder. So you want to make sure you know where that PDF is being sent. It's generating a second file is what's happening here. I'm going to put it in the desktop. So it will be in the same location as the DWG file that I'm working in. And I'm going to click on save. Okay, now what I'm going to do is open it up. It may automatically open for you. You can see it there on the screen. And I'm going to fill the whole sheet. I'll do Control minus so that hold down Control and minus so that I can see the whole sheet. And that looks like my preview. So everything is fine. So refer to the assignment sheet to determine where exactly you need to post these 2 files. But if you've gotten this far, then you have completed the work. So some things to do if the color of this text is not printing in black. There's probably 2 possibilities that could be the problem. If you were to go to your layer properties, and this is not magenta, that would be one of the reasons. Another reason may be that the text is not on the correct layer. So how do you know what layer it's on? Click on it, and it should tell you it's on G text. Let's say you didn't change it from the viewport layer, then it would be on that layer. So what can I do? How can I change to G text? Click on it. Go to this pull down and change it out to G text. The other issue could be that that ccc.ctv file is not in the proper folder. So it's using one of the templates to generate the PDF. So that's something that you can like go back and listen to the steps for how to put it in the correct folder. Now just keep in mind that it has to be on whatever machine you're working on. If you're working off your personal device, it's got to be there. If you're working in the cloud, it has to be there. Okay, so those are the 3 possible ways that or issues that could have happened. And that's it for this video.